Hello everyone, my name is Stacy. I'm from China and now I'm living in Seoul in South Korea. I am a big fan of learning different languages and I'm really enjoying teaching Chinese since 2018 in a small international school here. I feel I enjoy teaching because I can help my students and when I see they improve, I really feel the sense of accomplishment. But to tell you the truth, actually, I'm quite new and quite green in project-based learning. I started to learn to do some self-study about project-based learning since this year. So I was checking online to use some tools and forms samples from the pblworks.org. And I know that some of you have been using this PBL for years. I really admire that, and I'm really looking forward to learn from you guys. And today I wanted to talk about one thing I newly started to use in my classroom. It's called Mandarin or Manga Mandarin. I started to use this because I found our class is quite long in our school. Each class can be 85 minutes. So sometimes I give students some breaks, like 5 minutes in between. And I can see that instead of even the students, they are very sleepy sometimes. They try to use that 5 minutes to watch, to read mangas in Korean. So I was thinking it would be really wonderful if they can learn Chinese also with manga. And recently I found this Mandarin website. It is also on mobile phone. It's like a mobile phone app. Actually, it works better on the mobile phone, but I want to show you today from the website. So it is very special because it is like learn Chinese via comics. It is the first platform ever that uses serious manga to help with the HSK test. So it is not only helping with learning Chinese speaking, but also it is more like a purpose oriented to help the students to learn to read with more fun, and also they can try to help them to prepare for their HSK, that is the Chinese proficiency test, like the TOEFL in China. So recently my Chinese 1 students are reading this out. So here you can see they have different mangas with different level. That is what I like about. I'm teaching from Chinese 1 to Chinese 4, so each is like equivalent to the coordinate HSK level. My Chinese 1 student, now they're using, so you can see here each manga has different HSK level. And now my Chinese 1 student is reading this one, Mike in China. Actually, it is HSK 0, so not anybody can start with it. So it's talking about a guy whose name is Mike, and he went to China and experienced so many different regional cultures there. So my Chinese 1 students, they just learn the basic greeting and how to introduce themselves and family members and ask about telephone numbers and things. So I feel it's a perfect reading material for them. So you can see, for example, they have English and Chinese, and they can pronounce.
第一话
So which is very convenient. For example, here.
你们好，我叫 Eric。
So you can see he's saying, "Hello, I'm Eric." And also they provide all of the text to read really slow.
你们好，我叫 Eric。
That is really slow enough, I think. And then when we read together, I can hide the pinyin, or even I can hide the translation to ask the student to guess what are they talking about according to the picture, and they can read after it to practice. And also they have this a grammar thing, so the student can do a lot of self-study with this tool. Not only grammar, but also they have the vocabulary list for everything. So actually this is really good for self-study. So I think I can help the students with learning this to read with more fun and to practice dubbing. So on the mobile phone, they have this dubbing function, and to create their own manga or to later maybe a play or short movie. But I'm still wondering how can I add more project-based learning mindset into it. So if you guys have any good idea, please tell me. Thank you.